Okay, so I got the 2100H I got off of my friend Todd, KB7RQQ, a couple years ago, installed in the Jeep here. I had it horizontal, level, with the center console. Problem with that is, sun reflecting in, I couldn't see the display. Even turned the display up to number 4, so. Anyways, undid the screws, thank God they're self-tappers. Just some upholstery screws, like this cup washer, and was able to put enough force on a screwdriver to get them to dig back in. So 1 or 2 holes on top of the bracket might be exposed. But anyways, let me sit in the driver's seat and see how this looks. Here I am sitting in the driver's seat. You can still see that a little bit better. Still got some reflection coming in the window, so not much I can do other than tinting the windows. But at nighttime it's much better. So anyways, the mic just kind of comes along, tucks in down by the e-brake handle, and hopefully now while I'm driving down the road I can see it without having to wait till it comes to a stop sign. So anyways, let's push scan and see what the heck is out there. Don't even remember what I got in there for channels, to tell you the truth. Some business stuff, name with letters. Tried to get into the Birch repeater. Tried to reprogram it. There's a white face, that's for emergencies only. What is that one? Like Placid. Oh. Don't know if the camera sees those. Killington. Equinox. Rutland. Gore. My 146-475. Mount Scutney. Birch, the one I just tried to reprogram with the PL tones. Since I changed the PL tones, I think it was 123 or 100 before. They changed it to 146.2, and I can't even activate it. So, son of a gun. Okay, started that off on Killington, Equinox, skipped Rutland. I don't even know why I have Rutland in there. Green Mountain Worthless Society. Then I went to Gore. Tried Birch, which I can't key up. Tried Lake George. That's about the only ones I'm going to get locally. And there's nobody around. Nobody comes back to you. Pretty amazing that the repeaters are this dead. Was it even worth putting a radio into the car? Well, I guess I need it for tomorrow during the Vermont 50 race over in Woodstock, where the heck I'm going to be, at Garvin Hill parking lot. But other than that, there's nobody around.